Hi everyone, it's Belle from East Coast Mommy, and I have a fantastic DIY video for you today. I have 5 Father's Day gifts that you can make for the special man in your life. First up is a super cute keychain. I used a wood slice ornament, a key ring, and paint from my local Dollarama. I also used a decal I made with my Cricut. If you don't have a Cricut, you can use stickers or paint. I started by painting the wood slice blue. Then, when it was completely dry, I added a key ring. To finish it off, I used transfer tape to attach a Cricut Dad decal. That's it. Simple and adorable. Next up is an easy way to keep all Dad's stuff organized and out of the way. I used a little storage bin from my local Dollarama. I purchased 3 for $2. I also made a decal with my Cricut. If you don't have a Cricut, you could use paint markers or stickers. I made this decal that says Dad's Pocket Stuff. I applied it with transfer tape, and that's it. I love a useful gift, don't you? The next DIY gift uses 2 cardstock hearts. I use my Cricut to cut mine, but you could make them freehand, as long as they're the exact same shape and size. Place one on top of the other and use a hole punch to make holes around the perimeter of the hearts. Then I stitched the 2 hearts together with a piece of yarn, leaving a small opening. Use the small opening to fill the heart with candy, and then use the yarn to stitch up the opening. To finish the little candy pouch, take the 2 ends of yarn and tie them into a tight bow. Isn't this adorable? And you can customize it with Dad's favorite candy. Need another way to give Dad a sweet treat? Why not make him a jar to keep his snack stash? You'll need a jar, a Cricut decal, and Dad's favorite treat. I made this punny decal with my Cricut, but if you don't have a Cricut, you could print something or draw something out and attach it with some clear packing tape. I used transfer tape to attach the decal to my jar, and then I filled the jar with yummy treats. And that's it for this one. Lastly, we're going to make a card for Dad to go with all his great gifts. Take a piece of cardstock and fold it in half. Then make a fold in the top of the card. Open up the card and use the fold as a guide to cut the top off the back of the card. Now, cut a small slit on each side of the top of the paper. My slits were about 1.25 inches on each side. Fold the slits inward to create a shirt collar. Cut a piece of cardstock or scrapbook paper into the shape of a tie and glue it to the front of the card. You can leave it like this, or you can add white glue to the tips of the collar and add small buttons. You could also add a little pocket if you wanted to. Let the glue dry and then add a heartfelt note. I hope you like all these wonderful gifts for Dad. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.